Hello folks, connecting with you from the seacoast, East Sussex, on a fallish day. It's a little bit windy. I'm connecting with you post the drama that we experienced with Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Let me know what you struggled with most, especially in terms of the crash, the unexpected shutdown, and was your day disrupted at all, or it didn't impact you either way? To be quite honest, I'll hold my hands up. I was a bit lost in the beginning. Initially, I thought the interruption was due to my Wi-Fi, or it was due to my phone being faulty. So I kept checking it over and over just to make sure that something wasn't faulty with my phone. Then I soon realized that I couldn't access WhatsApp, and WhatsApp for me is key because that's where I have like regular contact in terms of like business related matters. So that was the first like, oh no, I can't get in contact with my mom, especially because I assist her with like online things, marketing, and everything in terms of operations management to do with like our cleaning business in Washington DC. So that was like I had to go back to traditional ways of like making calls. That was unusual. Then Instagram was my second impact. I could deal with like Facebook not operating at all for a day, 2 or 3, because Facebook is mainly somewhere where I offload. I use my business page or 2 business pages that I manage, and I mainly post. One works very well in terms of like cleaning business and cleaning opportunities, and in developing leads. There's that client base. My own personal one, I use it for as a backup for my content creation that I produce on Instagram, okay, and in other places as well. So this leads on nicely to backup plans, and the reason why I wanted to connect with you today was just to ask you whether you had awakening moments, a realization that you need to have something in place for your business. Let me just switch my phone a little bit so you can stop looking at benches and look more at the at the sea. Yeah, so do you have a backup plan? And if you have a backup plan in place, what is it? If you don't have a backup plan, has this given you thought? And the reason why I'm asking you this is just coincidentally, when was it? A few weeks ago, I created an online course in relation to developing landing pages, and it dawned on me today. I was like, oh, so it was leading somewhere intuitively. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is that these are type of systems that you may not have considered before. And I've always said in the past that your wealth is in your email list, and it still goes a long way to helping you just in terms of if this type of events happen, so should another impact happen. It's always to think, always have like this end goal in mind, or the what ifs. Expect the unexpected when it comes to your creative entrepreneurship venture or business as well. Always think about, what if something was to go wrong? Do I have like a backup system? So in my blog post, I talked about a few things, such as like having landing pages, email marketing systems, and being able to invest in that. Even if you're just starting out in your journey, that little bit goes a long way. My battery is running low. I don't want to like I don't want my battery to run low and this video to not be recorded. So yes, landing pages, email marketing system, customer relationship management systems, especially if you're a small business provider, to managing your financial HR systems as well as staff. It comes in handy even if you're just starting out. Case in example I gave you about the cleaning business. It helps you to keep in touch with your leads on automation. What else can I think of? Blog posts as a backup. So let's say if all the social media sites shut down, if LinkedIn you couldn't access that, you still have a means of keeping in contact and engaging, sharing your content, contacting your prospective or your existing clients and informing them of your customer, your services. So as I'm talking, another one has come to mind as well is Google. Google My Business is free. My blog, Google Blogger, is also free, and I've talked about it on this timeline as well. And I'll drop the links below. So I've just shared with you some of these systems in the background which you can have to assist you as backup systems just in case anything was to happen, such as we experienced, and it lasted longer than several hours. Okay, it's just so that you feel confident that you can still go on, you can still earn passive income. And then lastly, in terms of passive income, is always think about creating digital products so that you leave a trail that you can still continue to earn passive income. So I'll end it off here, and if anything that I've shared with you has resonated or if you've got a specific questions, do feel free to leave comments below or to connect with me as well. Ciao for me for now, until next time.